This is a story about physiology, and hey, did you know what are some pretty cool unique properties? The body needs water to survive. But it also gets a little help from these guys: carbohydrates, lipids, nucleic acids, and proteins. Let's talk more about how your body uses these. A lipid is a fat that has many roles. The fat is broken down to form fatty acids. It also gives your body lots of energy, but not nearly as much as carbohydrates bring. Carbohydrates are the main source of energy for most tissues in your body. Proteins, on the other hand, are good at doing the work, and if you think about what holds structure together, this is the force. Last but not least, we look at nucleic acid, which is really just a combination of molecules. These acids store all the info used to make proteins. Next, let's explore the four types of tissue: epithelial, connective, nerve, and muscle. Epithelial covers the body's surface and forms the lining for internal cavities. Connective tissues support and protect. Next, there are three types of muscle tissue, known as skeletal, smooth, and cardiac. Lastly, we have nerve tissue, which is composed of specialized cells who conduct impulses as well. Now let's move on to what disrupts homeostasis. And if you know what that is, it's the balance of a cell. Each body system contributes to the homeostasis of other systems. Adequate rest and regular physical activity are examples of activities that influence the process. Being overweight and lack of physical activity greatly affects many organ systems. Now we move on to structure and function being directly related. There are a few examples we can see. Neuron structure allows its function to send signals to the body. Structure determines function. Do not forget that there are also a variety of organizational values as seen above. In order to avoid imbalance of population, organisms live life through natural selections. Our minds get to learn more about an organism when doing dissection. When doing this type of lab, you should always be respectful and remember the proper tools to keep it practical. Our body moves in a variety of directions, so remember the nautical terms for direction. Cells differentiate to create specialization. The meiotic cell cycle has a process of growth and repair, as you can see right up there. Have you ever heard of the integumentary system? Because that is where the skin protects you. The endocrine system regulates distant target organs. The skeletal system has 4 organs, but the main force is to protect your insides from outside forces. Please do not forget about the nervous system, because that's what transmits signals to create our feelings. In every ecosystem, there are abiotic factors, also known as things like wind and water. Biotic factors are things like you and me, and now we know all about physiology.